me another knife. It's a micro pocket knife. Keychain micro pocket knife. I mean, this thing's cool. Just making this video for the hell of it. Not as informative video or anything. I think this knife is cool. It's a hell of a lot better than the other one. Where is it? Here it is. This one is cheap, flimsy. The blade's crappy. eBay quality. Dollar knife, you know? eBay knife. This one, I already made a couple practice cuts. This thing is sharp, is way sharper than this one. I mean, this one doesn't even. This thing doesn't do shit. This one's crap. This one, I mean, cuts very easy. Look at those practice cuts. Here, I'll do a fresh one. It's very sharp. Much better quality than the other one, and it's it's just ridiculously funny. Hey Chucky, wanna borrow my pocket knife? Hey Andy, mind if I use that micro pocket knife, man? Let's play hide the soul. Got someone, yeah. So there you go. It's a Chucky doll size micro pocket knife. This is the pocket knife Chucky would be using if he didn't already have a butcher knife. Alright, I'm going back to my Chucky movie marathon. Hey Andy, what you been up to since the 80s? Nobody knows. Alright, this is on Masterhead. Later.